Hello, this is Dr. Richard Bandler.
This is John Laval. I'm the president of the Society of NLP with Richard Bandler. And I've trained with Richard for many, many years.
Hi, I'm Owen Fitzpatrick, co-author of the book Memories with Dr. Richard Bandler and co-founder of the Irish Institute of NLP.
I'm here to say something about Kamran Sultan. He is fantastic, and I highly recommend him for doing his seminars in your country. And I also want to say that he's been doing NLP for quite a long time, actually. Was trained by Richard many, many years ago. He's come to the United States to update his training, and he's really a great guy.
And I'm very delighted to highly recommend Kamran Sultan of the First Institute of Dynamic Learning in Pakistan. Kamran is someone that I've seen train. I've worked with him and taught a workshop with him in Pakistan, and he's someone that has exquisite skills, one of the best NLP trainers I've seen, and it's an honor to work with someone of his caliber. If you've got the opportunity to study with someone like him, like Kamran in Pakistan in NLP, you won't find any better.
I also want to mention that if you have questions, because there are lots of different kind of NLP programs and trainings going on out there, there are some that I would question seriously. If you want to know if they're properly trained and properly credentialed, especially through the Society of Neuro-Linguistic Programming, then you can go to www.nlpinstitutes.com and you can search under your country. And if you find the trainer's name in that database, then they're doing the right thing. If they're not in that database, then they're not one of the trainers with us, okay? So, go see Kamran Sultan. He's a great guy and he does fantastic programs.
So I highly recommend, if you want to learn NLP, learn from the best in Pakistan, learn from Kamran.
And if you're getting training in Pakistan, I want to recommend that you train with Kamran.